Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must be signed in as an administrator. Once ready, save work and plug in your HP laptop. Start services. MSC Now and locate Remote Procedure Call and RPC Endpoint Mapper. These must be set to automatic. You will also open a command prompt as admin to run ipconfig/all. This verifies your NIC status and DNS bindings. Make sure the network adapter is enabled in settings. If it is disabled, enable it and reconnect. These first steps prepare Windows for service and network fixes. Now focus on service dependencies. Open services, set Remote Procedure Call, RPC Locator, and DCOM Server Process Launcher to automatic. Start any stopped services. Next, in an elevated prompt, run netch winsock reset. This fixes socket layer corruption. Once done, reboot your laptop. After reboot, open Windows Defender Firewall and confirm inbound rules permit RPC and RPC Endpoint Mapper traffic. Make sure domain, private, and public profiles are appropriately configured. These steps restore the service chain and network path RPC needs to respond. Finish by testing connectivity. Ping the host, open the app that failed, and observe whether the RPC error is resolved. If the problem persists, run system repair. Open admin command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corrupt system files that block RPC. Once complete, restart. If you still see errors, inspect Event Viewer for RPC-related error ID. This gives a precise cause. That single log check often reveals registry, permission, or driver issues requiring targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.